try to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts. I'ma grow you.
Hey guys, so yes, I'm in Rome for the Roma Street Photography Festival. I'm going to be doing a talk around about midday today on street photography, street portraits. I'm meeting up with the street badass guys as well because we've got the big one tomorrow. So it's a walk around street photography in Rome. So should be some great characters. And yeah, I'm going to let this run as a little bit of a vlog. So hopefully come up with some great pictures for you guys. And so do stay around to the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. Hit the like button. Let's get in a character. Like here. Hold up. If you look here. No. Stand there. That's it. That's beautiful. Hold that. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
We could do that. I don't mind. It's up to you guys.
No, but I think it's worth. I think it's worth it if he wants to go there because it's way better over there.
Con la birra.
No? No. Oh, okay. It's not very well framed.
You have an amazing face. Can I take your picture? Right.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear Queen of Hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start. Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors.
Backstage, there they are. This is the crew. These are the important people.
Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses, so you can learn to be kind.
Right now, eyes. Do that. Bring your other hand up, just like this. Just like that's it. Perfect.
So you can learn to be kind.
Oh yeah, can I get one? Okay, so I took a side street and got lost for about an hour and a half. I was away from all the rest of the guys, a stranger in a foreign land. So I headed to the Colosseum and then I met up with the guys there later on. Oh, you alright? You okay?
There's no more compassion, no. Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me. Grab his right arm. Help me. Take the left, oh help me.
Both, one with, one without. Oh, that's perfect, man. One bit closer, and then glasses off. And we might not need it. We might not. I don't know if we need it. So I'm quite close. If you look this way, turn your head just this way, and then bring your eyes back. Bring your eyes back to the camera. So eyes.
How big is your love?
You're on YouTube, guys. Say hi.
There's no satisfaction.
What I'm gonna do? Oh, hello.
Said, help me, help myself.
Everyone's welcome.
Give me down from the shelf. Help me dislocate. How big is your love? Tell me.
I think that's a wrap, guys. I'm crouched down because of the light. Rome's beautiful. If you haven't been, I've done a fair amount of Italy with a camera over the years, but never been to Rome. The people are great. A big shout out to the Roma Street guys. The festival was awesome. I'll put links to everything in the show notes. Also, Danny and Todd, the badass guys for organising the street walk and pretty much inviting me to come over. It's been special, it really has. So yes, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. Hit the like button, and yes, that was a dream that was Rome.